taking a look at this here trailer. Marker lights ain't working, stuff like that. So just hooking the truck up, see if we can get some lights to work, see what does and what doesn't. Doing a full lighting LED conversion, all running lights, brake lights, marker lights, clearance lights, whatever you want to call them, and then interior lighting as well on this one. So pretty big trailer. He said he stole it, so got a heck of a deal on it. My kind of guy.
Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around.
So I really don't have any footage of it, but this was a spliced together mess right there. There's another spliced together mess. And down there's another spliced together mess. So gonna clean up this 7-way on this one. All new marker lights all the way around, 15 ambers, 9 red, 2 new brake lights, 4 new interior lights. And we'll get her on. I think we're doing a battery on this one as well. Might do an electric jack conversion. So I'm actually wiring in this 7-way with a junction box. That's how it wants it. I need to finish clamping that off, but I said it's gonna go one more clamp at an angle right there, and then one more over here somewhere, and I'll go back under the trailer. And then the front half of the 7-way is done. All I need to do is get these marker lights, which they are on order. These lights, $8.99 a piece. There's 15 orange and 9 black. It's like $217 before tax. I said, whoa. Okay, buddy. Whatever you say. We'll get them on order for you. I ought to just, I don't know, let them ride. So we'll get this thing all tidied up. Got to get new brake lights. This one's broke back here, so we're gonna get a new one. Get us a new one. All right, so I got the 7-way hung up, boxes in, wires routed, ran how they were asked to be ran. Got another terminal board down there, ground connection for the battery that's about to be installed inside here. Gotta ground the battery to the chassis, and then battery to a converter to charge the battery. So she's coming along. So not done, but this light switch was already here. Now we've got strip lighting, getting rid of these, and it's going to be every 8 bars there's going to be a light, which will be plenty for this application. But reuse the old switch. Like I said, these are all just 12-volt lights that were originally in here. Got a breaker box over there. I don't know, just kind of used what the guy gave me. Looks a little weird, but he had the box and the outlet and the cord, so I put it on to what looks somewhat presentable. There's a hole right there for an outlet. Got a couple parts he gave me. I got to install. Battery tray is going to go over here in the corner, vented outside. There's going to be a converter underneath that 110 box, so a little bit more to go. Now I usually get the eggs every 3 days. Well, sorry, every day, but this time I waited for 3 days, and they left me a plethora of eggs. I got, what is that, a dozen, 12 foot, 16 eggs. Come on. Shoo! If I wasn't waiting on doggone parts, I'd be just about done with this old truck, or this trailer here. Just waiting on all the clearance lights. Just finished up the back here. I said I got running light, tail light, running light, and this is just a pile of junk. This is all the wiring that's shorted out. There's more than this. That's just from the back half here, and it's all wired. All the old clearance lights are still up there, but they don't work. They're not wired in. They're ready to just be unscrewed and then everything to be wired and soldered together. So But we got running lights. I can go cut the blinkers on or whatever, but I'm not going to, so I just don't. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm gonna call it a day. I didn't start on this thing until about 10 tonight, so haven't finished wiring everything, but power station is done in the corner. Just got to pop that in the wall and put a cover plate on it. The stainless ones he bought don't fit it, so it's just waiting right there for install finally. And we got one more outlet to go in the back over there, but let's see, go fuse block, power cutoff, so batteries won't die. Converter, if it's plugged in, will still charge the battery and provide power to inside with battery off. But this way, at least, you're not draining your battery with the doggone thing running. So, fuse breaker box here, 30 amp in. I guess these are 15s. I think I said 20 earlier, but 15 each socket. I said he had all this stuff. Was gonna do it, but just asked me to finish it up for him. So 30 amp, 15 to the wall socket, 15 to the converter. Nice. Don't have much left on the light setup. Couldn't find it, but we gotta get that one. This one taken down. There's one more right over yonder. Get it taken down, and we'll finish off the lighting. I don't know if in this video, yeah, it is. Got the tail lights done. Just waiting on the ambers. I guess they're on back order from my what do you call it? My supplier. So those are just not LED, but he wants all LED on the outside. So we'll get it jammed up for him. I would honestly pull all of this down. I told them, I said I'd pull it all down, insulate everything, because that gap you got right there, 1 inch pipe or 1 inch square tubing, you got that all the way around this for a frame. So I told him I'd cut that thing down and go ahead and get you some foam board laid up in this whole thing. Also, I told them I'd put an AC in here just because why not put one AC in the rear, one up here in the front. I would have done a 50 amp service, and to be honest with you, I would have put a generator right there, power system. Well, probably would have been above it, but I'd get like a 5500 Onan. It'd be in here boxed out. That way you'd have power on this doggone unit here. So, onboard power. Oh yeah. Got us this washer. That's a washer door. This vent. That's all insurance stuff. Them two awnings, insurance. That right there is customer pay for a new vent. That's a skylight, customer pay. Another skylight, customer pay. This is a slide topper right here. I just opened it, making sure it wasn't damaged. The tube it came in was all fouled up. It's all right, it'll work. The garage is a mess. Got an RV fridge vent right there. Just need a clean in here. I just be working so much I ain't got time to do it. Got to get the Southern Comforts. Y'all ain't seen them, I don't think. I got the Southern Comforts. Shoo! New van seats, baby. They're gonna be nice. Off of a quick glance, well, this is gonna become a shop chair. That's for sure. We'll put it on some wheels. Anyhow, the Southern Comforts, the mounting point is that Torx bit right there. In the factory express seats, where they at? That Torx bit right there. Tracks look identical, so we're gonna unbolt, swap bottom mounts out, and we're gonna see if we can get us some new seats in the whole girl. Come on. After a little more examination on the seats, this is the driver's seat out of the van, and the Southern Comforts I picked up, they are the exact same bolt pattern. So I'm actually just swapping the entire assembly, vice just swapping slides. So we'll go ahead and ease on with this and knock everything out. Martha had to come inspect the Southern Comforts. Come here, girl. Roost on, where are you going? I was trying to let her roost on the armrest. Martha, get back out back. You know better than being out here. She don't know what she's doing. She'll make her way back out there. Now I got one of these Southern Comforts halfway installed. I just got to bolt it to the floor. But, oh man. Throw an armrest out on him. Shoo, baby, this thing. Like I said, I'm waiting on parts, so went heading through the Southern Comforts in here. Man, are they nice. I've got this thing all the way back. I just adjusted it how I wanted it, but headrest come up, tilts forward, tilts aft. Boy, you can lay out in this thing, let me tell you. I like that.